Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with an empties video for you guys. So I know it's probably been a while since I've done one, or at least I've uploaded one from my previous empties video, because right now what I noticed is that I don't use that much skincare products anymore. Like, my skin has transformed so much because I am going through like a transition phase right now. So I've been using less and less skincare. So I'm actually quite surprised myself too. But anyway, so we do have quite a few products to get through today. Alright, so let's start off with these two big ones. So these are both from the brand CeraVe. Okay. So this one is their hydrating facial cleanser for normal to dry skin. So because right now it is hot, my skin is producing so much oil. Like, this face wash does not work for me. But when the weather gets colder during like fall winter season, like, this works really well for my skin. So if you have oily skin, I would not suggest using this face wash. The moisturizing cream. So I only use this on my body. I don't use it on my face because it is a little bit thick for like my face, but for the body, like, it moisturizes like so well. And I mean like so well. Like, out of all of the moisturizing creams I have tried, I would definitely recommend this one. Like, when you apply it on, it just sinks to your skin so well. It's not oily, not greasy, and then even like the next day, like, you touch your skin, I'm like, wow, it's fully like moisturized, fully hydrated. Like, it's just amazing. I would highly recommend, picking this up at Target, or if you shop at Costco or Sam's Club, sometimes like they'll have like a deal on this, and I definitely stock up for sure. All right, next we have, this is from Innisfree. This is their vitalizing smoothing gel with aloe, and I have to say, this is not necessarily my favorite aloe gel that I've tried, but I mean, this is doable. So I mean, for me to purchase this, I usually purchase this online because they don't have like a store like you can actually go to now. So I feel like this one is okay, but it does get the job done, especially like if you do get sunburn. Like I got sunburn like a couple weeks ago, like right here on my face. Like, this has helped so much. Or if you get like mosquito bites, oh, this definitely works so well. Or if your skin just feels really dry and tiny, but you don't want to put on like face cream, lotion, or moisturizer because you're gonna sweat and produce a lot of oil, I definitely just suggest putting on aloe vera, and you are literally good to go. Next we have, this is, I mean, this is not really a beauty product, okay, but this is the Oral-B Glide Floss Picks, and I have to say, these are so bad. I do not recommend like using these. Like, I don't know why, but they're really bad. Like, especially this right here, when you like try to like put it like in between your teeth, like, it just, for me, it doesn't work. Like, it just sometimes like it just like breaks, and that's why I don't like it. I mean, I only got it because it was on sale at Costco. It was like $8 for like 300 pieces, which I thought was like such a good deal. But I'm like, after using it, I finally understand why this is just, don't purchase this. There's other brands that are a lot better, so just skip on this. Okay, next we have, these two are from Supergoop. I'm sure you guys see me talk about this all the time. So this is the Unseen sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen stick, and this is the original one. So obviously, because I did use it up, so what I did was that I cut it like in half, because there's usually always product left over on the inside right here. So you want to like make sure you get everything, because I know the sunscreen, it is on the quite pricier side. I would say this is one of the best #1 sunscreens I would recommend to anyone and everyone. Like, especially if you can afford, this is like top notch. Like, when you first apply it on, it sinks to your skin so well, gives you this really nice glowy look, and it lasts so well. And especially like if you're like sweating and stuff, like, it doesn't sweat, which is why I love this sunscreen. And for the stick, I like how it's very convenient, where you just open it, twist up, and it just like touch up. So definitely recommend checking this out. Okay, next we have, this is from Joe. So this is the hand and body cream, fragrance-free moisturizing. So for this one right here, I have to say, when I first tried it out, I was actually quite surprised like how good it is. But the thing about this is that, as you guys can see from the bottle right here, like I tried my best to like scoop everything out, but sometimes I couldn't get it clean enough. That's the one thing that kind of just annoys me a little bit about this, but it's okay. This is definitely worth giving a try. Like it just keeps your skin, your body very moisturized, very like hydrated, and the price, such a steal. Okay, so for this one, this is the Brazil nut body butter. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably seen this, I watched so many videos on this. Like this is literally like a dupe for like the Sol de Janeiro, and I absolutely like love the packaging. Open it like this, you just twist it open. Oh my gosh, even right now I can just smell it. It smells so good. This is like a seasonal item too. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing. Definitely get it like when it comes out, because this always like sells out every single year. Okay, next up, this is from Oplex. This is their Bonding Maintains Clarifying Shampoo. So deep clean, soften, restore shine and clarity. So when I first started using this, my hair absolutely loved it, and then something happened. I guess I was going through like that change in phase again, and then I feel like it just didn't like clean my hair like as well as I wanted to. So now I'm just like, this product is just okay, but before it was good. Final item that we have here, this is from Lush. This is their Sleepy Shower Gel, and I absolutely love this. So usually I use this one or I use the Rose Jam. So I like switch in between. So, but I can't really choose a favorite, but every time when I use like Lush shower gels, like it really just like hits differently. And if you have not tried it, I would highly recommend giving like Sleepy, especially like if you love lavender or if you love like rose scent, highly recommend giving the Rose Jam a try. So it cleans really well. Your skin just feels so hydrated. Like you don't have to like apply on lotion like right away. So the one thing that kind of just annoys me a little bit is that sometimes like there will be product like stuck on like the very bottom of it. But aside from that, you know, huge fan of using Lush shower gels. So that's actually all the empty products that I have for this video. So for those of you guys who have tried any of these products that I mentioned, feel free to let me know. Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or do you guys have any empty products that you guys have finished and tried and used? You know, I would love to hear about them. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.